How to disable notifications for the Signal app. So first, go ahead and open settings on your phone. After you open settings, your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. After you type in manage apps, you will see all the apps that you've downloaded on your phone, but you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and type in Signal. And after you tap on the Signal app, scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then tap on it, then simply turn off the notifications from here. So this is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.